And you know why she is very kind? She is the Dalai Lama's followers. Dolma,
hello.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Where are you going?
One of my sister's friends from Afghanistan. He just invited me for the lunch.
Wow.
That's why I'm going to
have
lunch with my friend Farzana from Afghanistan. I get something in the paper with the test the shy and they do need from Afghanistan with Tomore. Moda Tering Moranki Lotarisha and Kalata Day. Antang ani do tholop di gego na ma thuen de de nam si pe chao chao yu dan dong thong ma di kau khe so kamara tak tele ani de do pune na nam si pe chao do dong do ma ma kha na pe chao ri sa tha gi to the le so adu tholop ne kama nga ma hilanga mare ani kumni shu ma te mari odla ta do le so ani pavel mola dugi ani na pa chola tingi tok to chora wa ye
Trishi Dalai, welcome to Jamdol Tibet channel. See what I found. Can you read? Yeah, I am with Jamdol Tibet channel. Today we were gonna what? What is that? How are you? Welcome to Tibet channel.
How are you? Today, today Jamdol Tibet people from the Tibet shy. Today they do ngada ngi thomo Afghanistan di thomo padana ngani do pavilion mola le. And today they do padana morangi payugi. And Lotarisha, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I wish you a very happy New Year. No, New Year is all about the starting new chapter.
Yes.
So I hope you will enjoy your New Year and new chapter of your life.
Thank you so much. Guys, don't forget to follow her channel, subscribe her channel, like her channel. She is very kind. Oh my God, you can't believe. She is very kind. You know why she is very kind? She is the Dalai Lama's followers. That's why.
Oh, thank you.
She knows everything. She is very kind. She has lots of experience and she is my best friend. Please follow her channel. Please follow her on Instagram, Facebook. Like, subscribe, put good comment for her.
Thank you.
Guys, don't forget, I have a very good surprise for her. I'm gonna surprise her and you also see till end.
Thank you. Afghanistan New Year Risha.
Guys, I was supposed to surprise her, so I brought her in this good place. Her eyes is closed. I'm waiting that she has to open her eyes and see how the place is. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. How it is?
So beautiful.
Do you like it? Is it good, right?
You know how to greet in Tibetan, right?
Yes.
Tell me.
Trishika. Tashi.
Dele.
Tashi Dele. Okay.
Okay.
Tashi Dele.
Yeah. Takan listen to number drink. Takan number thinking number two la. Number two yung never ye. Yeah, the Asian fry. Yeah. And then...
You don't know. It's recording.
Okay.
So, this is Ogi.
Aglio olio pasta.
What?
Aglio olio pepperoni.
Fried rice.
뭔가 축이야도 추 태산도 추 아, 와라 추 계란 삐 닌지모도 you are very beautiful
Thank you.
in Tibetan darin de do menyamdola kodana mora Afghanistan re to tashi dele kodana salam alaikum
Walaikum salam.
salam
Yeah, walaikum salam.
in Tibetan we say tashi dele
Okay.
yeah so Fatma welcome back to my channel
Thank you. Yeah.
no welcome to my channel
Yeah.
इंथरी मोरंगी खरा सा के तंग तो जो अफगानिस्तान के लोटा रिश्ते दी मोरंग दे जो खरा सा के तंग रे शो लगे कि मोला तो जो चले खासी चाहिए so can you tell me your name
Yes, my name is Farzana and my last name is Amiri. People are calling me Farzana Amiri.
oh very
Yeah.
beautiful name
Thank you.
so which country are you from
I'm from Afghanistan.
okay can you tell me what you study in university
Yeah, my course is very fantastic. Shall I say? Can I say? I'm studying international business.
wow businesswoman
Yes, I will become businesswoman. I will come to Tibet and I will do my business on Tibet.
oh really
Yes.
you should go Tibet is the neighbor country of Afghanistan beautiful and highest mountain to play over the world.
Guys, I'm saying one thing about her. She is my friend since last year and she is very kind. Her character is very good. I love her so much. That's why I'm treating her every time.
really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
See, today is our new year and my very special day. She is with me. I am with her. And please don't forget to follow her on Instagram, Facebook. You have Twitter, right? I love her character. She was telling me so much about Dalai Lama. See, don't forget, I am a follower of Dalai Lama also. I love him.
Thank you.
I read so many books about him. So he is a very good person in my life, which I know as a very good character. Yeah. I am following him also. This is live, girls. You're showing the celebrity. Okay, you can. Oh, do you show like that? Do this. You did this also?
Yeah.
Okay.
You also offer that?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start. Okay.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Which cut?
So good.
Fish and budu. Fish and budu.
Fish and budu.
In Afghani we are saying khayli mazadora. Khayli mazadora.
Khayli mazagora.
Khayli, see today. Khayli
Khayli
mazadora.
mazadora.
Khayli mazadora.
Very mazadora. 정말 ngani do chasna ta lungba logare ani gidan si rishu logare thanju ngantu ngoshe bachare da di lentorang ti ro kala ta mitna la yara mi bachchi pare ngatu mi dishi thone ni ya ma chambu che ke chambu shida thong dro atindi du ni ngege na bato khari thari ngin thu di ku khari talenting thosana moda chasna afghanistan de ma do chasna ta paper re ni tindi du ngani pala ni khaje ki ta da du gi tharan do ina ni ngani ki chokpu gi dishi dia nyam de mi gi dishi di thone ni chambu de da di ke chambu dro ndu khaje ne khontu shi to re ni Tulu da madin betang jele tiket tang go de de nge tambala do tikta mitu da ni jikta mangu keje share da chokbo tia te lungba khande ne chulu khande de tumbu che ke tum sida tum dra. So I'm talking about secularity, which is about kindness, loving, and then compassion, So good.
So good. How it is?
Mashallah.
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 Yeah, mashallah. And your language?
Shimbudu.
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 Okay. There was an event in our university. Then I used to talk on that event. It was
Diwali?
Yeah, it was Diwali. It was very big festival, right? So many people were there. Then I went there and I spoke something, right? After that, I shifted her hostel. Then she asked me, "Oh, are you that girl were speaking on the stage?" I said yes. She said, "Okay, are you from Afghanistan?" I said yes. Yes. After that, slowly, we became good friends, and now we are very good friends. Like we are doing vlog together. We are going somewhere. We are talking. Coffee. I like her black coffee, and I'm doing. See, guys, I'm doing her makeup sometimes. She don't like, but I'm always trying to put some makeup in her face.
얘기라 그리려나 수수 배버지기 임차네 두트 뭔가 가와를 팀바이네를 사이다 가와 팀바이네를 미타 토이나 군들라니 안가란 저기 롱바이 걸다 아니 성도 저기 걸래 기초부 시다래 땡이더라 그런 저는 뭐도 짜증 당부하고 오면도 고도 저걸라 아니 얘기는 뭐시래라 안가란 가오 시다 중도 아니 뭐라게 두트 컨트롤 해봐도 계셔 저걸라 데 쉐어라니가 앞에 가오 중도 아니 thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You are the businesswoman, so do you have any message for the young generation?
Yes. Guys, from business perspective, I have some message for all of you. If you like, you can listen it. First, in business, you have to be very confident. Very confident. You should not be scared. Second, you have to be positive. Negative should not allow in your life. Have good communication. Be patient. Please be patient. Please be patient for the result. And do hard work. Do hard work. Don't forget in your life. Do hard work. And always having good wishes for others. You are hardworking, but don't forget other people who need for you. This is called universe, nature universe. When you are doing good things for other people, wishing good things for other people, definitely good things will come to you. So don't forget.
Yeah, that's true. We call it karma, and when karma means the action. When we do something good, the result will become good.
The result?
Yeah,
it will come to us.
It's called karma in our language. Lay, we call lay. Karma is very important in our life, That's why never ever do bad thing to others, Bad thing, when you do something bad, of course bad thing will come back to you. I request you all to be a good person and be kind, be helpful. Yeah, at least it's all Dalai Lama said that if you don't help others, at least don't harm others, So that's the most important thing, I guess.
Yes.
Thank you. 근데 너 땅도 칼라다 상호선도 아니 칼라 프리미티하고도 아니 칼라디 이탈은 디 칼라디다 아니 아주 이탈은 칼라디 민라
백가디 레도 은피하고도 진짜 냄동도 통화 가실 동이 냄동 마르크리 때이라 아니 칼라다 참마 피미티하고 중소 아니 뭐랄라 땡큐레 투치나 투치체 투지체 it means thank you
Okay.
뭐 투치나 레이 아니 도 지타 예인돈디 디가라 참샤이 마음발라 예인도 망블리기에 기드닌돈디 나도이나 가다다 마다나로나 투치나 제드제요
تا بالا مگر عادت نداشتین که زیاد آب بنوشین از این بعد بنوشین یعنی
Father good
همون رو تشتله